What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Last time I talked about the Jeep Grand Cherokee or what was going on at Mac, there was a bunch of 392 engines and other stuff that were showing up there for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And I was telling you guys it's probably going to be for the SRT variant, the regular SRT, not the Hellcat TrackHawk version, but the regular SRT version of it. Because it looks like they're going to have a Hurricane version and a 6.4 liter version of the regular SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee. There's going to be different tiers. But I got some more information yet. There's some 28 test vehicle news and some other stuff we're going to get into right after this. Guys, before I get into today's video, I gotta talk about the giveaways going on the channel, the combo entries that let you get in on the 2027 Ram TRX. That is the brand new truck. We've never done a brand new truck ever, or brand new vehicle for that matter, is up. You can get in with massive extra entries, but not only on that truck, you can also get in on the Ram 2500, no matter what you purchase. So if you're over and you pick up something that's tool related and you're getting 400,000 entries per dollar spent, that is for both vehicles, not one. So you're getting in on both for the price of one. You really can't beat it. No purchase is necessary. It is void where prohibited. Official rules are on the website. Definitely recommend you read those. But if you want to get in on both of these trucks, this is the best shot to do it. You don't have to buy anything to get in on each one. You get in on both by picking up anything over on the website right now, tksgarage.com. Oh, man, I love my sources, man. I wish I could show this to you. Maybe I could show you a quick flash, just an image of what I'm getting into here. See that? See that right there? Can't show it. I'm going to expose my source. I have to be careful. But let me get into, the news today, or the information I got in. Some 28 test vehicle news. The hand-built 28 Grand Cherokee is a two-row painted Fathom Blue. I have no idea what color that is, but I'm going to see what color that is, and we'll put that in the thumbnail. With the new frame rails and a Hurricane 4. A few of my millwright guys loaded the hand-built body on the line at the chassis decking spur. If you're not familiar with that, this is where the body is married to the chassis. And they actually gave me a video of them doing that with this. That's why I can't show that to you. They did this under the direction of Launch Engineering CTC. This was done on Friday, August 23rd. The body did not fit correctly on the locating details on the front of the carrier. Now, engineering and the tool makers will have to start making modifications so we can run these. This was the first body they tried on the line. Big Stella is now keeping a security officer on that Jeep Grand Cherokee at all times. My guess is Galen doesn't want any more leaks, and that is the plant manager. I talked about him previously when he put out the letter. I think it's funny that Stellantis security is that panicked. Like if this is just a mule or a 28 test vehicle and it's not a SRT, why are we worried about it? Nobody cares. Nobody gives a fuck about a Hurricane 4 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I mean, I guess if they're worried that I'm getting the information, they're probably worried that other Mopar sites will, because they'll write stories about, lame shit. I'm really not doing videos on lame vehicles. Like if it doesn't fit the narrative or fit the thing where I'm at in terms of performance or, SRT or V8s or Hemis. I'm not saying I'm not covering Hurricane stuff. I do, but Hurricane 4 shit, like, unless it's a really small car that's going to go fast, like, I'm not cover it for what? Who cares? I wouldn't put a big fat donut eating security guard sitting there to guard that shit. Anyways, I think it's funny. But Fathom Blue, that's cool. I'm going to have to figure out what color that is, and we'll I'll put an image of the Jeep Grand Cherokee or whatever in the thumbnail. I do think it's cute. I do think it's funny because I've already built some of these TrackHawk-esque SRT Jeep Grand Cherokees. And I mean, we saw one at Roadkill Nights. We saw one at the technology event a couple of days before. And that was cool. I don't think it's going to get to like I don't think that the 28 Jeep Grand Cherokees are, like the Hurricane 4 stuff. I don't understand why they're so. I mean, I get why they're overprotective. They want to be able to launch it. They don't want people to mock up SRT versions when they know what this one looks like. I get it. I understand. But yeah, I'm still kind of just like, whatever. But I am excited though. The fact that they are getting movement on this and getting this stuff together tells me if CTC is already at the factory and they're already putting stuff together for this, it means that we will have some SRT variants of the same ilk here very soon. And look, I appreciate it. Shout out to all my guys that continue to send me information in and send me in the news, man. I appreciate it. I know the plant managers probably can't fucking stand me. I'm willing to bet, and I heard this too about Mac anyway. I heard that they took a screenshot or whatever of one of the YouTube videos where they had a clear image of my face and put it up to tell security if they see me anywhere around the facility to tell me to leave. Come on, man. That's not how I work. I've worked in intelligence. I let other people do that job for me. I'm not ever coming in there to do that. Come on, man. That's amateur shit. We don't do that. We have other people. We have people that you'd never expect that are going to get that information and pass it on to us. I'm sure that guy's probably like, man, fuck this guy. But yeah, it's cool. I get it. You got to protect your job. I understand. Not mad. I'm still going to get the info. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this Jeep Grand Cherokee update in the comment section down below. Are you excited for the 28s? I mean, I hear some of the stuff that's going to change in terms of the roof, the frame rails, being able to have those multiple powertrains again with the new wiring harnesses, meaning they can bring back a 5.7 if they want. But I think more than likely it's for that 6.4 liter, the Hellcat version for the TrackHawk, and they'll probably have that Hurricane 6 wedged in there as well. And then the base model will be a Hurricane 4. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.